Today, I'm quickly comparing the Oneplus Nord CE6 and the Poco X8 Pro, and honestly, both phones target very different users. Starting with performance, the Poco X8 Pro is the clear beast here. It's running a Dimensity 8500 Ultra with super-fast UFS 4.1 storage, and yeah, in gaming and heavy multitasking, it absolutely pulls ahead. You'll notice it immediately. But the OnePlus Nord CE6 fights back hard in battery and everyday usability. That massive 8,000 mAh battery is insane. Easily 2 days of use, plus Oxygen OS feels cleaner and smoother with no bloat. Camera-wise, Poco is more versatile with better video and an extra ultra-wide, while OnePlus wins selfies. So here's the simple breakdown. If you want power and cameras, go Poco X8 Pro. If you want battery life, durability, and clean software, the Nord CE6 is the smarter daily driver. That's it. Thanks for watching.